What the hell is this trash? I'm looking at it. We about to get into the review, so let's talk about it.
We can't stop the party with the shy roll.
Hello, my party people. How are we doing today? Another review. This is your guy, Emoneyshoes here, back with another review. No, I'm just messing around. All right, so I'm back with another review, and we have a unique looking box. But I'm in a good mood because the Lakers won. It was stressful, but hey, they won. That's all that matters, right? And like I said in my previous video, the mall is open today, and I was out and about. But my quick PSA, please go check out the Who Has the Heat channel. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. And if you're a sneakerhead and you want to do some battles, we are taking sign up for season 6 this weekend. We have 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. CJ the Sneaker Fiend and 10.5 on deck, along with my sis 313 Retro Queen, with FlyKOF, PMKICKZ. All of us will be in the building, and the description will be below. Also, please don't hesitate to check out anybody in my featured channel. You feel me? I always got a featured channel. Like I said, they got the Bro Shoes Up Sleeves Down, got the Home Team, Pam Money, Melanie Sweden, and Jonah Vlogs. They're all an Ash Cat. Well, I should say, I don't know why I say Ash Cat. It's Ashley Review. I call it Ash Cat though. But everybody, they're all on the feature channel. Go click on that. I'm sure they got some materials that you would like to see. Now, let's jump into this review here. Got this brown ass box. Look like something you would get out of done Skechers or some church shoes, maybe some Florsheim's in there. I don't know. But curiosity, you know what you say about curiosity. But look at this. Nike Space Hippie 04 suggested retail price 130 thing, 10.5, 10.5. You got this QR code, official colorway, gray, Volt, black, smoke, gray on this thing. So y'all already know Nike's doing this stuff. Look at this interesting box. Nike trash transfer all into this recycling. It's pretty interesting presentation. You got your 4D QR codes. If you don't get it on there, you can get it there. Nike trash transform. This shoe is actually freaking pretty light, and it's different. Very different, unique. Look at it. Very interesting, you say. You got that right. I don't know what to say, but very unique. It kind of sit kind of tall, but let's look at it. Why don't we? Underneath, you can see all this recycling process, all of this stuff, recycled paper, whatever it look like. Kind of remind me, I guess, when you see the pictures of Mars, right? Space hippie, so it's supposed to remind you of outer space. Deep, dope concept. Light shoes. I would say it's equivalent to the Boost, but it's a different type of feel. All right, it's I can't explain it. You got to try the shoe on. It's equivalent to Boost. I probably give Boost a slight edge, maybe because the technology has been around a little bit longer, so it's a little bit more refined. But these are pretty good, though. These are pretty good, along with the React, as you can see, right? Got to remind you like marbles, right? The marble rock you would see, and all of that good stuff. Like I said, it's pretty light shoe. Coming up on the toe, you see you got it here. Then you got your stitched in Volt swoosh. You got your string laces, and then you got your sock liner here, right? You got a sock liner, so that's interesting. So it's stretchy, right? You're coming around on this side. Then you got your stitched in Volt here, and then you got your pull tab, and then you got this big booty hole, big ass back here, right? Look at this. Got the big butt back there with your Nike on now, which is stitched in, which is very interesting. So there is a demand for this shoe, and you can see you got little materials right there, kind of look fuzzy. Then you come around the medial side, you got some more like your Flywire kind of like lacing system here on the side with your black lace. I don't know about doing a lace swap with this, whether it would bring it to life, but nonetheless, like I said, it is a very interesting shoe. As you can see inside, You got your QR code. Your production date is 12/4/19 or 4/14/20. So you got different versions of this trash, right? That's literally what this is, trash. Recycled trash, all about green, right? So, like I said again, you look at it, let me know what you think. I'm always willing to try something at least once. So I said, yeah, I know a good thing to do on this one would have been to probably show you guys our own feet so you can get a real feel for what this shoe looks like. Now, on the lit meter, I said a meter. Let's see. So for price point and I guess you want to call craftiness, let's see, what is this on the tongue? Okay, you got 04, you got different versions, right? 04, 01, all that different stuff. So innovation, technology, price point, I give it about 4.2. All right, 4.2. I mean, it's kind of like, meh, nothing spectacular, but something different. I applaud you, Nike, for trying to do something. It's definitely got to be a certain cup of tea for this shoe, because I see this won't be everybody's cup of tea. Like I said, it's definitely different. I don't know if that's an understatement, but it is different. I mean, just look at that. Like I said, remind me of a moon rock or something like that as we get up and close and personal with this shoe. So again, I don't know how you may feel, what to say about this. This, like I said, recycled material. We're going with the green stuff. We're going with recycling. That's a big thing. We want to save the earth. So leave a comment suggestion below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'm trying to get to roughly, we'll tone it down. The goal was 10K by Christmas, but I'm focused on doing the Who Has the Heat page. So that's the main thing. We're trying to build that channel, bring y'all some dope sneaker battle. So we're gonna try to get to about 7,500 by Christmas. If we get a little bit over, that's fine and dandy, so we can do our normal sneaker giveaway. So Who Has the Heat page, Who Has the Heat on IG. Also, you can follow me, Emoneyshoes, on IG as well. But again, these are the Space Hippie 04 dust as they have on here. Let me know if you guys cop these. You think this is a dope colorway. This not your cup of tea. You want to see what other things are coming out, because like I said, this did have a lot of buzz. Since the mall just opened today, I decided to invest. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep these or not. I'm gonna have to probably sit on the fence, gotta do some meditation, because I just don't know. Some shoes you just get, you just curious of it, but at the end of the day, you gotta do what you gotta do, because there is a lot of different heat coming out. So thanks for all the love and respect. Peace, love, and hair grease. Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Bing.
Yeah, nigga. The corner could get you rich. Like me go gang. Like, you already know I'm about to say, nigga, I'm always in the streets. I'm street, nigga. Like, fuck